Unveiling the Past, the Art of Historic Renovation. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a particularly intriguing phrase, historic renovation. This term not only reflects a physical process but also carries a deep significance in preserving our past. Whether you're a language learner, a history enthusiast, or simply curious, you're in the right place to uncover the layers behind these words. Let's start by dissecting historic renovation into two parts, historic and renovation. Historic refers to something that is important in history, or has significance from the past. It's not just old. It's something that holds value because of its impact or influence on history. Renovation, on the other hand, is the process of repairing and improving something, especially a building, and bringing it back to a good condition. When combined, historic renovation speaks to the process of restoring and preserving buildings, artifacts, or sites that have significant historical value. It's about maintaining the essence and integrity of the past, while ensuring they remain part of our present and future. Why do we care about renovating historic sites? Historic renovation serves several key purposes. 1. Preservation of culture. It helps preserve the cultural heritage and identity of a place, ensuring future generations can learn from and appreciate their history. 2. Educational value. Restored historic sites are living museums, offering tangible lessons in history, architecture, and society. 3. Sustainability. Renovation is often more sustainable than demolition and new construction, as it repurposes existing materials and conserves resources. 4. Economic benefits. Many historic renovations boost tourism, create jobs, and stimulate local economies. Despite its importance, historic renovation is fraught with challenges. Balancing modern needs with historic integrity. Finding the right balance between modernizing facilities and preserving historical authenticity can be tricky. Regulatory and legal hurdles. There are often strict guidelines and regulations governing the renovation of historic sites. Financial constraints. Restoration can be expensive, requiring specialized materials and skilled labor. Environmental considerations. Renovations must also consider environmental impact, especially in terms of sustainability and conservation. Historic renovation is more than just fixing up old buildings. It's a profound commitment to preserving our collective history and cultural heritage. Through careful restoration, we ensure that future generations can enjoy and learn from the past, not just in history books, but in the very fabric of our surroundings. We hope this exploration into historic renovation has shed light on its significance and the meticulous care it involves. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the beautiful intricacies of the English language and its expressions. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.